Hey everybody, what's up? It's Craig from Flying Wheels. So the past 2 weeks I've been looking for a Porsche Panamera, and let me tell you why. So I want an Audi R8, but I also have 3 children, so there's no freaking way I'm going to be able to drive an Audi R8 realistically. I've already made that mistake with the Dodge Viper. But a Porsche Panamera is a supercar with 4 seats, so I can get all 3 of my kids to school and have a great time. On top of that, they come in the Porsche Panamera 4, which is an all-wheel drive. On top of that, they come with a Porsche Panamera 4S Turbo, which is a twin-turbo V6. So they have a bunch of different models of the Porsche Panamera. The 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter 6-cylinder, which is like the base model. Still cool, still fun. The four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Then the twin-turbo, which is like the ultimate. I'm on the hunt for one. I want one. One of the perks of owning a car dealership is that I get to buy whatever I want and drive it until it sells. So for now, I'm on this fix where I want a Porsche Panamera. So there's one at the auction this week, and there's one at the auction next week. I'm going to film both of them. All right, let's see what they go run through for. I hope I get them. They're pretty affordable, you know, within the 20s and 30s now. If you want the twin turbo all-wheel drive, they jump up even more, but also it's a Porsche, so you got to make sure that you're getting the right one because you can really get stuck with some serious repairs and maintenance if it hasn't been done already. One more thing real quick. I'm going to play a game with all of you guys. Every week I'm going to sit in a different car. Tell me what kind of car I'm in. All right. And then don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. There's also a bell like right here somewhere. If you hit that bell, you'll get notifications every time I make a video. And don't forget to subscribe. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Here we go. Let's head to the auction. All right. So behind me is a 14 Porsche Panamera 4 with 99,000 miles. 2014, well over $100,000 car, but it has 99,000 miles. So it's high miles. Let's see what it runs through at. I'm going to take a walk around real quick so you can see the car. It is a Panamera 4, so it's all-wheel drive. Interior is amazing. The car is still perfect. It's like a brand new car still, even though it has a lot of highway miles. You have to assume it's a highway in 4 years. 20,000 miles a year, 25,000 miles a year. Let's see where it runs through at. Okay, so it's under 100,000 miles, so it's still green light. In 700 more miles, it'll be red light, means as is. You can't announce it. A green light means they'll guarantee motor and transmission until 5 o'clock today, and a frame for 5 days. Starting at 29,000 with no money. Lower to 28. 25 grand starting bid. 25.5 you're asking for. 22.50 maybe? $25,000 on an if, which means it didn't meet their number, but they took his bid, and they're going to make a call and see if they can get it. So after scanning the VIN, my app says that that Panamera 4 is still worth $33,000 at auction, even with the mileage. It has an if bid at 25, which they're probably not going to accept, but even 26 or 27, there's still $5,000 of auction money to play with, which means he can buy it, turn it around at another auction, and still potentially make a profit. And also a 2010 Porsche Panamera S, which is also pretty great. Not bad, not bad.
32 over 32 right. 31 to 30,000. 30,000. 30,000 over 30 grand. 29. 28. 25. 25 grand. 25. You're all safe. 25. 25,000. Red miles. 25. Green light. Outside. 23 grand. No interest. Take it out, boys.
Wouldn't take my bid of 22. 23. 23.
Yeah, 23. Yeah. 23.5. 23. Give me 23.5. 5. Give me 5. 23.
I'm the high bidder at 23. They won't take it. They wanted 28 for that Panamera. I was the high bidder on the Panamera. Wasn't enough money. Wow, wow, wow.